Hello traders. Today is the 17th of September 2012, and the time in London is 10:20 a.m. In New York, the time is 5:20 a.m. The title of this video is MACD Reloaded Part 1. In this video, we will look at two aspects of MACD, okay? And right here, we are on the hourly chart of the pound-dollar currency pair on the hourly chart. And I'm using the MACD 2059. This is not the standard MACD. I'm using the MACD 2059, okay? 20, 50, and 09, alright? This MACD, okay, is a MACD that are called the hourly MACD. It's a MACD that is suitable for the hourly chart. I need to say that, okay? I do not use this MACD 2059 on any other time frame. I prefer to use it on the hourly chart. That's why I call it the hourly MACD, alright? What we are about to discuss is valid also for the standard MACD. So if you are using any other software that does not allow you to change your setting, you can apply this strategy that we are about to discuss, okay, with the standard MACD, okay? So nothing to worry about, okay? The first aspect that we're going to talk about is the oversold MACD. The oversold MACD, okay, is when MACD crosses above its signal line. It's telling us that MACD is oversold, all right? MACD crosses above its signal lines. It's telling us that MACD is oversold. This is true. Why? Because when we see MACD below its signal line, it's telling us the bearish momentum is increasing. Suddenly, the MACD crosses above the signal line, switching from below to the upper side of the moving average 9 of MACD itself. It is telling us that the bearish momentum is diminishing, confirming to us that MACD is oversold. But it doesn't mean that the price is oversold. It's telling us that MACD itself is oversold, not the price itself. All right. So the MACD is giving us a warning that I am oversold. Look out to look for an opportunity, okay, to buy. But it's not a direct signal, it's an indirect signal, which means it's a warning. One must now keep eye wide open, pay attention to the market pattern first, and then look for a clear-cut signal that aligns with the market pattern. All right. So here now you can see that MACD crosses above the zero line on the hourly chart. So I'm going to keep my eyes now on the price. I'll bring out now my drawing. As I explained to you, this strategy is valid for all MACD, whichever setting that you are using for your MACD. The oversold condition is the same thing. So, but I'm using MACD 2059, which I use on the hourly chart right here, you see. So what the price was doing before, the price, you see, the price, let's bring in more, you can see we are here, okay, we are here now, okay, here. So in fact I can extend, don't worry, I'm going to color this line if it's not very clear for you, so do not go away, okay? We'll color it in blue. So this is what we are talking about, the market pattern first before anything else, before getting to trade, what the price was doing before. So though MACD was below its signal lines, telling that the bearish momentum was increasing, the price was not going down, the price was consolidating. It went down a bit here, but you can see it went down, but it's in fact a consolidation section here. Can you see? This is what we are talking about. The direct signal is given by the price, the indirect signal is given by the indicator. A lot of traders get into trouble because they are trading an indicator and they don't want to use the market stable data, higher time frame, lower time frame, entry time frame, and applying, okay, the market stable data together with the trading triangle. The news, the fundamentals, and the leaders can change the dynamics of the market at any point. If you are using this strategy, you must still check the economy news and pay attention to the fundamental so you may make excellent trading decisions. All right. So here you see it crosses above. It doesn't mean buy. It's telling I'm oversold. MACD itself, not the price. So all we are looking for is here. It break above it with this candle and retest it with the red one here. Okay. This is the signal time frame. You will select an entry time frame, okay, to pinpoint, okay, the best or the low risk entry point. You see now? All right. This is about oversold market. So here you will select another entry time frame because this is your signal time frame. All right. You want to know also what's happening on the higher time frame. You don't want to use one market stable data by violating another market stable data. Using indicator will take a lot of time and a lot of energy. I've done it myself before. And you will change all the settings, try every sort of thing. Spend a lot of money on some proprietary, special, smooth MACD, and it doesn't work. But if you use the MACD with a market stable data, okay, and you understand what is taking place, you will make excellent decisions. So here you will make excellent decision and you will let it run. The second thing that I want to say to trader, when MACD is oversold, which means MACD is above its signal line, all right, it's bullish, all right. Why is it telling that? It's telling that, okay, buy at a valid support level. I'm going to say this again. When MACD is above its signal line, we can perfectly draw lines, okay, key levels, okay, and just wait for the price to give us a signal at those key levels. So we want to mark this above the signal line, okay? The price is moving from one level to the next level. So the price is seeking a better resistance level. We do not want to buy anyhow. We don't want to buy right in front of a resistance level. That's why it's so important to check the higher time frame and to know where are the resistance level. So here was not a good one because see, blah, 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 blah. The price went horizontal, talking about the market power terms. Look, for many hours, more than 8 hours, nothing was happening here. All right? Okay? That's where a lot of day traders lose money. Okay, don't get into that. Know the market pattern so you may apply the right strategy, okay, or use the right tools, okay, to cream the market consistently. For those of you who are new to our, we are the TSTW 24 traders. Okay? Now, so this is about the MACD, okay, oversold, okay, above the signal line. We want to buy at the support level, valid the support level. So here you can see, moment please, because I don't want the video to be too long. By the way, this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument, including, okay, the pound-dollar currency pair. It's primarily for the TST traders. All right, okay, let's move on. Okay, a bit dark in London now, but we're expecting a bit of sunshine later on. Okay, so now you see now, so all right, so here you can see, even paying attention to the slope of MACD, which is a different matter. You can see MACD came near, okay, signal line, but the price was consolidating, and now boom, it went above the consolidation session as it did here. All right, now there was some retest in this session. At that point in time, we see the bullish candle here. We want to find out a best place, okay, where we can enter the trade at a low risk entry point. All right, if the signal fell, come out, okay, come out, just come out. All right, there will be another signal. The second aspect of a MACD reloaded is about the overbought MACD. The overbought MACD is the opposite of oversold MACD. And everything that I said before, you can flip it upside down. All right, can you do that? So MACD crosses below its signal line. It's telling us that MACD is overbought. Okay, why? What does it mean? It means that though the MACD was above signal line, telling us that the bullish momentum was increasing, or the bulls are dominating the market. By the way, for those who are trading forex, because we don't have, okay, a volume indicator, you can use MACD, okay, to understand what is happening behind the scene. Okay, so like this, okay, you know that the volume is in the direction of the bulls, but it doesn't mean that go and buy anyhow, but you just want to know what is likely to take place, so you may position yourself or to give yourself a triple green signal or a valid bullish signal in this case. So the bullish momentum was increasing, and suddenly MACD was overbought because MACD itself was overbought, not the price. But now it's a warning that there's a high chance that the price itself will become overbought. When MACD crosses below its signal line, we want to keep our eyes well open. As I'm speaking to you now, is 17th of September, okay, 2012. The time is 10:30. Right now I'm looking on my hourly MACD, which I explained to you. I use this MACD on the hourly chart. Okay, we use the TSTW24, TSTWSY008, and the TS MACD Pro, which is another matter. So here today, as I see something like this, MACD is giving me a warning. Okay, I don't just take the word of MACD for granted or trust my MACD because it's a special MACD or not. The price is the number one indicator. What do I pay attention to first? All TST traders must know it now. The market pattern first, okay, before anything else. What's happening? Okay, that's the question you want to ask. What's happening? It's a good question for traders to ask. What is happening? Okay, the price is going up and down. Okay, that's what's happening now. Okay, so if I am an aggressive trader, okay, or I want to be a bit aggressive, which I am not, I was before, okay, no need to be aggressive to the price because the price will show you what's happening anyway. So so now like this, now if I want to be aggressive trader, okay, because I know some trader trade like this, the price now at 16222. If I want to sell it, okay, my best play at least this level here, put my stop loss. Some trader will place it, so 16222. This level is at 16255. Okay, that's 35 pips. Okay, 35 pips. Trader will add 10 pips to it, okay, to make it 45 pips. Now, does it suit your trading style? Okay, we're talking about risk, okay, acceptance. Okay, if it doesn't, if you don't, you are not prepared to take that sort of risk. If I am day trading, I'm happy with 30 to 35 pips for my stop loss. All right, so as a aggressive trader, you may decide to put it here first. Keep eyes on it because it's not the best place. And if they are coming, you may move it 10 pips above it a bit. Okay, all right, but because the price consolidating like this on the hourly chart, you may switch to another time frame. TSC W24 traders will go to the first best time frame and monitor what is taking place. But as I'm telling you now, there's no trend. It's blah blah blah. Probably there's some news talking about the the trading triangle. One wants to sell as aggressive trader. One must sell at the top of the consolidation zone and place stop loss above the previous high. That's a good decision. Okay, that's a good decision. All right, that's a very good decision. Some patient traders, okay, will prefer it, okay, to break below the consolidation session, okay, and to come back and retest the bottom of the consolidation, and right here, okay, to give us, okay, a gorgeous sell signal. But sometimes the market, you may expect that, and it may not happen, which means the price will just run down, boom, 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 down. So you will say, George, I miss the opportunity. So I will turn around and I'll say to you, so what? Wait for the next trend or wait for the next opportunity. All right? I've seen it all the time in London. People rushing. Sometimes I see some people, they are rushing somewhere, okay? And everybody going to the same place. You see them rushing. They're running, and you walking slowly. And you reach the same place, they are still there. There was no need to rush, okay? There was no need to rush. All right? There's no need to rush. So, okay? This is my hourly MACD, so I'll share it with you now. Now, if I'm talking about my hourly MACD, you know what I'm talking about. Nothing special about it. But this okay, MACD set in 2059. Okay, only, okay, because you are my friend. Okay, I'm sharing with you. Okay, I only use it on the hourly chart. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, when MACD crosses above its signal line, okay, it's telling us that a trend line, okay, the price has crossed above, okay, a bearish trend line. I'm going to say it again. When MACD crosses above its signal lines, it's telling us that the price has crossed above a bearish trend line. You see this line here, which I'm going to color now in red, is a bearish trend line because this is a negative slope, okay, negative slope, okay, trend line. So MACD crosses above the signal line. It said that now you have to check it because sometimes MACD will cross above signal line, but the price will still be below the bearish trend line. So you have to wait. Here you see, it was a gorgeous signal. There was some news here. It takes some people out to the downside. It takes some people up to the front before they continue the progress. You see, this is a nasty candle. You see this one? Volatility, yeah? Bam, 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 bam. News. check the news, okay? All right. So this is what's happened. So MACD was giving a signal even before. Here it was a bit late, so I have to say a bit late. The price is here, you see, cross above the signal line. Wait for it to retest. You see, cross above it, retest on the hourly chart. So what I say to traders that are using the TS MACD Pro, I say to them, I explain few things to them privately, which we MACD cross above signal line. MACD is doing exactly the same job like a trend line. You see here, was crossing above, it's above the signal line, price above the trend line. You see, that's why I use this MACD 20 on the hourly chart. Okay, but you want to keep your eyes on the price and know exactly what MACD is. You see here, here is going down. Trader will already sell, but look what the price is doing, consolidating. So the best strategy, if you are aggressive trader, to sell here on the top of the consolidation, that's not too bad, and place your stop loss here. You don't want to follow MACD like this. Sometimes MACD will be resetting itself, which means MACD will be below, will be okay, overbought, but the price will be consolidating as this, and again zoom up again. But as I said to you, this video is not a signal to sell or to buy the Euro USD. It's a MACD reloaded, okay, reloaded part 1. So to summarize quickly, MACD oversold means that MACD is okay, above a signal line, or the price is above a bullish trend line. All right. So the first time MACD crosses above a signal line, is telling us that okay, MACD is oversold. Okay, oversold. Now we have to keep our eyes on the price. So the best way to use the hourly MACD is when the hourly MACD crosses above signal line, which there's a better way. There's a better way is to use the trend line. This is what I'm saying to you. All we are doing is to bring traders' attention back to the ball itself. You are playing rugby, keep eyes on the rugby ball. Playing tennis, eye on the ball. Playing football, eyes on the ball. You know, American football, eyes on the ball. It's all the time the ball. The ball is the price, okay? The day they will stop trading to look at the price, that's when they will manipulate the market big time, okay? But now we can see the same chart, whether you are in, okay, Saudi Arabia, or, okay, Bangkok, all right? Or you are, okay, in any other city or any part of the world, okay? You are looking at the same chart, okay? All right, it doesn't matter which software you are using, you see exactly what I'm looking at. All right, so above signal line, the price above rising. Sometimes the MACD will be distorted due to volatility. The volatility and the market manipulation can distort the indicator. That's where traders sometimes get into trouble. They don't understand what has happened, and they say, "Oh, MACD is a useless trading tool." But MACD is not a useless trading tool. It's how you interpret it. Or maybe you fail to keep eyes on the ball. Do not trade oversold MACD, trade oversold. Okay? Number one indicator, the price. Do not trade the overbought MACD, trade the price itself. Okay? Alright? It makes sense? And it's also powerful. I thank you for watching, and I will speak to you very soon. If you want to purchase the TS MACD Pro, you need to go to www.dayprotraders.com. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Speak to you soon.